So today we're gonna have a look about the espresso, the process to make the extraction and to how visualize espresso, okay, a good espresso, a bad espresso. I'm gonna start doing the process here, and then afterwards I'm gonna get the camera and show you how you can check, how you make sure that's a good espresso or not, okay? So let's start off with the group handle. That's this guy here. So it's already cleaned up. But anyway, let's imagine if it was dirty, you would obviously just throw the waste just down here and clean with obviously a clean cloth. I prefer a cloth because it cleans the residuals better than if it was a brush or something like that. I don't really like much. This one is more effective. So here we're gonna get our espresso. Okay, so what's the amount I'm supposed to be here? This amount here should be around 16 grams, 15.5, something like that. But if the main point is the extraction time, that's the most important one. So we're gonna tamp that. That's a really important process. Okay, because if you don't compact, you don't tamp your coffee properly, it will have space between the grains. So the water would just flow through the coffee, and the taste and the aroma, it would lose everything on the way, okay? So you flush before the group heads, get the mug, obviously. Then I'm gonna count the time just here. And there we go. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see very well, it's counting the time, and the extraction time is supposed to be between 22 and 28 seconds. "25 seconds. That's a great espresso. It's just amazing. As I said, so now we're gonna have a look. I think I can move the camera a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So here we can have an idea how it's supposed to look like a brownish color and golden, perfect espresso. So between 22 to 28 seconds, I would go for 25 seconds. 14 to 17 grams, I would go for 15 and a half, 16 max. And that's our espresso, ready to go. And we keep in touch, keep improving ours. See you guys.